Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I will be discussing how to change name on groups in Discord. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Discord and go to your group. Now here I am on my group, as you can see over here. Now, to change the name of the group, you will have an option over here, edit a group. Now, if you already have multiple messages, you will also have these settings by clicking on the group name at the top over here. So you can just simply go ahead and tap on it. And from here, as you can see, right away, you should be able to rename the group. So let's say I'm going to go for Delve Stack group. And now I will have an option as well to provide a group icon or profile and select save over here. And after that, as you can see, my group name will now be DelphStack. And pretty much that's how to rename a group on the Discord. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.